Imagine a morning without the hum of electric coffee makers. Instead of waking up to fresh brewed Java at the touch of a button, people would rely on stovetop methods, causing chaos and time-consuming rituals. The mornings would be filled with aromatic adventures and the sound of brewing pots, but also potential spills and overboiling water. In offices, the long coffee breaks would disappear, leading to decreased social interactions. Without this invention, coffee culture would shift dramatically, turning into less of a morning staple and more of a rare treat. How would this change our daily routines and social gatherings?